Good morning, children. Welcome back to the next lesson of Geography, Class 10. We are going to do Minerals and Energy Resources, Part 2. Please open your books. This is your geography book. Please open your geography book. We are going to do these topics today under this conversional sources of energy, coal, type, uses, distribution, advantages and disadvantages, and petroleum, distribution, advantages and disadvantages. So please open your books to page 177. Conventional sources of energy. You can go through this table, children. Introduction. Energy is an essential input of industrial and economic development, and for improving the standard of living, energy output is obtained from commercial sources like coal, petroleum and electricity. Per capita consumption of commercial energy is sometimes used as an index of economic development of a country. Please see the diagrams also, children. Figure 9.1, 9.2, 9.3. The energy sources which cannot be comprehended once these are used after their exploitation are termed as conventional energy sources. Example, coal, petroleum and natural gases. Conventional sources are exhaustible. They causes pollution when used as they emit smoke and ash. They are very expensive to be maintained, stored and transmitted. During the 17th century, coal energy became the heart of the Industrial Revolution. It became the primary source of energy for household and industry in equal measure. With its easy availability and low cost, none felt the need to think of its alternative. But now in the 21st century, human race has awoken up to the hazards of global warming, depleting mineral resources and need to cut down carbon emission. Though coal is still a predominant energy source around the world, the researchers and policy makers have started searching for alternative. India is the third largest producer of coal in the world. Types of coal. Coal is a conventional source of energy. It is an inflammable organic substance composed of hydrocarbons found in sedimentary rock. Coal is the main source of power generation in India. You know, children, from the coal we get the electricity. Most of the industry, example iron and steel and variety of chemical industry, depend upon the availability of coal for the intake of power. Depending upon the percentage of carbon present, four varieties of coals are available. Let's see. Anthracite. It is the best quality of coal and contains over 80% of carbon. It is hard, compact and black in color. It is found in Jammu and Kashmir in small quantity. Bituminous coal. It is the most widely used variety of coal and contains about 60 to 80% carbon. Its calorific value is very high due to the high proportion of carbon and low moisture content. It is mainly used for heating, steam raising and production of coke. It is mostly found in Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. Lignite. It is also called brown coal. It is of inferior quality. It is fragile in nature. It contains more of moisture and less of combustible matter. It is found in Palan of Rajasthan, Nanavali in Tamil Nadu, Kalakhimpur in Assam and Keravan in Jammu and Kashmir. Please turn your pages to 178. There is a map, children. Please go through it. Page 1983. List of major oil fields in India. Oil fields of India are of two types, namely onshore and oil fields and offshore oil fields. Just wait. Sorry, children. Page number 180 we have to turn to after this. Sorry, children. 180. Pets. Peat. It is the first stage of transformation of wood to coal. It contains about 50 to 60% carbon. It emits more smoke and leaves lot of ash after burning. In India, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh account for nearly 90% of coal reserves. Use. Coal is used in generation of power. It is used in the generation of electric power for mineral based industries like iron and steel and cement industry. The demand of coal for railway has been reduced due to electrification of railway. Coal mining is hazardous. It can be dangerous due to occurrence of poisonous gas in the mines. Indian coal is mostly associated with Go, Gon, God, Gondwana, Gondwana series of rock and is primarily found in peninsular India. About 2% Indian coal is of territory type and is found in Assam and Jammu and Kashmir. Distribution of coal. Gondwana coal fields refer map. Jharkhand. Jharkhand has the largest reserve of coal, 33.53% in India. The main coal fields in Jhajari, Bokharo, Gandhigiri and Karampur. Chhattisgarh, the main oil field is Koraba. Tapti, Tatapatni, Rampur. Odisha, the main oil coal fields are Tachri and Sambal. Madhya Pradesh, Singuliri and Sholapur are the main oil field. Other are Pench Valley and Shadol. West Bengal produces about 18% of Indian coal reserve. Raniganj is the main coal field. Maharashtra, Vardhra Valley, Mahapari, Kampati, Uniri and Chandrapur. Coal is also found in Andhra Pradesh. Territory coal fields are newly and mostly consist of lignite and peat. They have less carbon content, hence are of poor quality. These deposits are found in Rasai in Kashmir, Lakhimpur in Assam, Namakchi in Arunachal Pradesh, Bharanjan in Tesang in Nagaland, Balpak in Dadagiri in Meghalaya, Palu in Rajasthan, Palau in Rajasthan, Nanavali, Nivali, Jayakomonda and Managarundi in Varanama of Tamil Nadu. Advantages of coal energy. Primary energy source. Coal supplies around 30% of the primary energy need all over the world, generating 40% of electricity. Affordable and stable price. Unlike other energy resource, coal is still the cheapest mineral. Also, unlike other minerals, its price is the open market remain more or less stable. Easy to burn. Coal has a high calorific value, thus we get more energy by burning a small quantity of coal as compared to other sources. Non-dependence on climatic condition. Unlikely wind, solar and hydro energy, one is not dependent on existing climate condition for mining coal. Coal is versatile. Coal is mainly used for generating electricity and its byproduct coal tar is used to produce phenol, cerosol, oil, naphthalene and other chemical. Aspirin, soya, dyes and fabrics also make use of coal's byproduct. It reduces dependence on oil. It is safer and comprehensive in nuclear energy. So children, till here we conclude our first part of the video. We will meet in the second part of the video. Thank you children.